Hey guys, it's Heidi. Welcome back to my channel. And yeah, I'm doing a repeat because the people are complaining they cannot hear me. So yeah, just please either give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you can or cannot hear me. If you can hear me, thumbs up. If you can't hear me, thumbs down. Thank you. Anyway, okay, so now I'm trying to speak really loud, which is difficult for me. Anyway. So yeah, this is some of the jewelry that I've done for the market. This is one of my favorite pieces, this green one. It's actually very nice. Yeah. Anyway, that's a green one. Yeah, the market is later on in the year. Now, later on in the month. And yeah, that's a red one. This one is quite nice. It's plain yet nice. I like these little red things next to the white pearl. Anyway, it's not a real pearl, guys. So, yeah, I can't afford those. But who knows, maybe one day we'll be able to, but not right now. And here's a red and white one. This one I think is also quite nice. There we go. It's focused. And the blue one. Yeah, the blue one is nice. I like the blue. It's got some nice patterns on the beads, if you look carefully. So, yeah. And then the pink one. This pink one is also very nice. I'm not too sure about the clasps though. I've never used these clasps. They just push together like it. I don't know. Yeah. It's also very nice. It's also got some nice design on the pink beads. And then this white one is also quite nice. Yeah. I made that one yesterday, I think it was. And yeah, I want to do some others as well. So that's just a plain red and white one. Sorry for the dogs barking. There's people walking in the street. And then the red one, the Star of David. I love the Star of David. Guys, why are we talking about the Star of David? Listen, you need to pray for Israel, huh? Please. Israel needs our prayers. And pray that they get to turn back towards God. And that God will help them. Now this one I made a long time ago. It was one of the first ones I made. I made this for Auntie Mary a long time ago. So I sat in the kitchen making this one day. With flowers on the heart. She loved flowers. Anyway. And then this one. There we go. Focus. Okay, it's not far. There we go. Okay, guys, that is the beaded ones, the ones that I've strung. And now the others are just on chain and on thong. Yeah, just on a normal chain. And yeah, I think these are also quite nice. The people, this one's on like a shoestring type material. And yeah, I think maybe some people will like them. I'm not too sure. Just let me know in the comments what you think. It's also quite nice. I've got a red cross sock. It's the same cross, a bigger one, with a red stone in the middle, which I need to do something with. And the pink blommetjie, the pink flower, there we go. It's also quite nice. That one's on a silver chain. Not genuine silver, just silver in color. And this is a pretty plain one. Yeah. There's another. This one kind of reminds me a little bit of a other flower, like a daisy type flower, or a windmill. I don't think a windmill's got that many arms. But anyway. Yeah, it's just reminds me of that. And this one, I'm quite intrigued by. I don't know, there's just something about this one that I like, and I don't really know what it is. Whether it's the green stone or the actual design, not exactly sure. Anyway. And then we've got the semi-precious gemstones. Some of them are really pretty. This one I call the diamond in the rough. I actually don't know what it is. These I got from Simonstown. I went to the scratch patch in Simonstown. My friends, bless their soul, they live in Grabouw. They took me all the way through to Simonstown to go and get these stones from scratch patch. And then this one, it's not black, it's not grey, not exactly sure what kind of colour you would call it. I don't know. But anyway, that's also quite nice. It's quite heavy, that one. And this one, the blue one, it's got some nice pretty patterns in it. I don't know if you can see. Can't really. Sorry, my phone's not doing it any justice. Yeah. And then this one, I think that one will look better against the black. Yeah, there we go. You also see different things in that one. And the little speckled one. It's also quite nice. Yeah. Then, I don't know, did I show the ones with the thongs? No, I don't think so. This is like a, I don't really know what it's like a hard plastic type material. Anyway, I've got this one, and I've got a white one, and I've got a grey one. So there's 1, 2, 3, and then there's a blue one. Yeah. So, which is quite nice. And then I've got this one here. It's like black or whatever. It also feels like a piece of hard plastic type material. But on the inside, these are bits of shell. Looks like bits of shell. And then these are shell. Anyway. And then they've put resin, some flowers in there. So yeah, these I don't think I can send overseas because of possibly the seeds or something. I don't know. Yeah, a person's got to be careful sending stuff overseas. I sent a parcel off to Vivian another YouTuber that I watch, and it went off on the end of September. Well, she still hasn't received the parcel. And I'm sure if there's something in the parcel and it's stuck at customs, customs will let us know. But yeah, so far we haven't heard a word. This one, it's also shell. This is also shell. And there's a few others that Mom has given me that I have not made personally. I've made others which I have now given away. Anyway, guys, yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. Now, this one is really, really pretty. Come focus. I don't know, I might still change maybe I'll still keep this one for me, I don't know. Anyway, guys, lots and lots of love. Let's hope the sun comes out this time. Anyway, Brian and Lorraine, Ma, you must let me know. Okay, guys, lots of love. Bye.